Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have this chart of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Stock is currently trading at 12.24. So this was the closing price on 27th of April 2023. Right. So if I have a look at this chart, I would be able to guess it out that this whole correction is, I think it's a kind of expanded flat wherein what I mean to say by expanded flat is that ideally we get a three wave down, three wave up, and a five wave decline. And what usually happens is by seeing a five wave decline right from the highest high which the stock made, people tend to think that whatever bounce comes next is just going to be counter trend in nature, and whatever happens after completing the counter trend bounce is always going to be negative in the nature. So, well, that is fine, but that is just one kind of possibility that you're looking at. So this means that this is just an A, B, C kind of sort of correction, a very elongated one, and we have completed probably A, B, C. If I take you to the weekly chart, it is really clear that this might just be an A, B, C correction. And what I mean to say is that the degree of corrections from this correction and this correction both are same. So it's possible that this may be just wave 1 and or if I want to label it here, wave 1, this may be wave 2, and what we did would just be wave 3rd, who knows, and we might have completed this wave 4, wave C. So if this is the case, then it's possible that we might be or might want to go in wave 5 on the higher side. Let us take a simple wave 1 projection, and in this case it seems as if the wave 3rd is shorter than wave 1. So let's take the length of wave 3rd. Okay, and if I add it up to the low of wave 4, then I get a target which is somewhere around 1800 levels. So that's a very conservative target. This is taking into some simple assumption that Mahindra and Mahindra does not have the capacity to extend. So which we do not know, or which we could not calculate or know in advance. So if I go by my this preferred count, it means that we might have done a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, might be on the verge of starting a wave 5 on the higher side, which might take us roughly towards 1700, 1800 levels. And now a very important observation which you might need to pay attention over here is that within wave 5, so this is the real beauty. So within wave 5 you have completed what you call as a wave 1 and a wave 2, and it's possible that on a shorter term basis as well you would be on the verge of starting wave 3. You get a simple 1 2 3 4 5, meaning that you might have completed wave 1, and if I take a simple projection up to the bottom of wave 3, I think the target comes around 1300. 1300, I think it's fairly possible to reach 1300 in the May expiry, and trades could really be initiated at this CMP, or even a break above it, or a 1 or 2 pips higher, with a stop loss of 196. Pardon me, 796. So this is it, I think. So 1196 to 1224. So that's roughly 4 and 24, almost 28, 30 points. 30 points. So that's 30 points risk, and I think the lot size is 700. That's almost 22,000 risk per lot. Uh, this would be far lesser if you were to trade in options. So I think 1300 is fairly possible for the stock to target in May expiry, and 1800 in months to come. That was it for the video, I think. Bye bye.